Let's get started. Solution 1. First, close the NVIDIA app if it's currently running. Now open the Start menu and type Registry Editor. Open Registry Editor. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. In the Registry Editor, expand the following folders one by one. Expand HKey Current User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version. Then select the Push Notifications folder. On the right side, locate Toast Enabled. Double-click Toast Enabled. Make sure the value data is set to 1. If it isn't, change it to 1. Then click OK. Close the Registry Editor and restart your computer. After your PC restarts, try opening the NVIDIA app again. If the error still appears, continue to the next solution. Solution 2. Open the Start menu and type Settings. Open Settings. On the left-hand side, click Apps. Then select Installed Apps. Use the search box at the top and type NVIDIA. Locate the NVIDIA app. Click the 3 dots next to it and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to completely remove the application from your computer. Once the uninstallation is complete, open your preferred web browser. Search for NVIDIA app. Open the official NVIDIA website. Click Download Now and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Locate the NVIDIA app installer and double-click it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. After the installation is complete, the NVIDIA app should open normally. That's all there is to it.